sorry I was late.
Don't worry. What happened?
I missed my bus.
That's okay. It happens.
What city are you from?
I'm from New York.
I've never been there. What is it like?
It's a busy and amazing city.
I have to leave now.
Can you stay for 15 more minutes?
I wish I could, but it's late.
No problem.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, what time works for you?
How about 2 p.m.?
That works for me.
Did you hear me?
Sorry, I didn't hear your question.
I asked how was your weekend?
It was wonderful.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was nice.
Where did you go?
To the mall with my friends.
What is your job?
I am a freelance web designer.
Is it a fun job?
Yes, I have a lot of freedom.